Ali Asghar Khambati says his father is 78 and has been relying on high interest rate fixed deposits done in 2011 for his income. He'll be receiving about 1 crore rupees of maturity amounts from fixed deposits in the next 10 months. He wants to know how to generate enough income from this corpus with rising expenses using mutual funds.
Yes, indeed. Interest rates in general in the economy and on the fixed deposits have come down sharply. So now, if his father were to renew those FDs that he earlier made in 2011, the amount of interest income that these FDs would generate would be significantly lower than what he would have been enjoying till now. If you want to take the mutual fund route, we certainly advise adding a little bit of equity portion to your retirement income allocation to keep up with rising expenses. So our recommended approach is to invest about a third of your total accumulation in good, well-diversified equity funds. And with the balance amount, you can create a fixed income allocation by spreading it across certain debt mutual funds, as well as other investment avenues like the senior citizen savings schemes. This portfolio he should rebalance at least once a year so that the equity allocation remains in that 30-35% range. And also he should take care that the income that he withdraws every year should by and large be in the range of 4 to 6% of his accumulation. It should generally not exceed 6% of the accumulation. Otherwise, he would be withdrawing his accumulation at a very rapid pace. Once he follows these basic principles, he should be able to derive regular income and also keep up with the rising expenses in the long years of retirement.